Angles question from NANYANG Primary School 2020 Prelim problem sums. Now this type of question is very typically seen in angle style questions, okay, and it's one of the key concepts in angles as well. Okay, so let's discuss. Susie had a rectangular piece of paper. She folded the piece of paper along the line EF. Okay, this is a line that she folded. And the question is this: find the angle Y. Now from here became here. So it's good to draw in dotted, okay, the original paper. Okay, so what was before was this. Okay, why we do that is because whatever was folded, okay, let's say this part here, actually came from here. Okay, it's like a mirror image. Okay, so over here was a 90 degrees, right? So this came across. And whatever was here in angle form, this angle is now becoming this angle. So for Y, for example, earlier on this was Y as well. Alright, now to solve this question, okay, we need to figure out or find what we can find first. So this particular angle in dark blue, we can find that first. 180 minus 126. 54 degrees. Alright, so over here will be 54 degrees. And with that, we can also find this green angle over here, which is 180 minus 90 minus 54 degrees. 36 degrees. So the green angle is found. And the great thing is, friends, you know, earlier on we had the rectangle over here, right? Which means that the corner was actually a nice 90 degrees. Okay, so 90 degrees, if we minus 36, take this away, we will get twice of Y. So that will allow us to actually solve the question in just one more step. So 2Y is equivalent to 90 minus 36. So 2Y is actually 54 degrees. We can find the value of Y. It's like 2 units is 54. What's 1 unit? Okay, so 1 unit is just 54 divided by 2, 27 degrees.